be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, cause
Hi all, I am Simone C. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back. Today you all, we have an exciting video. You already see me playing with this hair. You see the goodness, you see the vacation look. I'm ready. I am ready. This gorgeous vpart unit is from the company Junoda Wig. I would love to thank Junoda Hair so much for sending me this gorgeous unit and for sponsoring today's video, you all. If you all are interested to see how I got this gorgeous, quick and easy install under 5 minutes, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so here's their box. It says Junoda. Feel the magic of Junoda hair. Inside we have a satin bag to store your unit, as well as a mesh bag of goodies. So let's see what we have. A gray scrunchie, an edge scarf, an edge brush, eyelashes, a nude wig cap, and their stock card on how to care for the unit. And here's the unit in a long plastic bag. It just says 24 inches of a vpart water wave wig. So here's the construction of their vpart wig. I absolutely love it. They have this already attached for you in case you want to do kind of more like a, you know, a U-part style and you want to put your hair over, but we're going to cut this open today. You have several combs, 2 elastic bands, beautiful texture. Look at this water wave, so pretty, so bouncy. So let's get into installing her. Alright, so I have my hair in some Set It Off Queen Latifah style. I won't say Meek Mill style this time. So I don't know if I want to style the hair in the center here on my braids, or if I want to do like a side part on this braid. So I'm going to just snap open the combs, and then I'm going to place them in one side at a time. And I'm going to snap them in place. And just like that, we have one side already applied. So let's quickly do the other. And look at that, you all. Quick, simple, nice and easy. It looks so good. I'm gonna pull the unit down now and tuck the rest of my hair and braids underneath. And that's it, you all. Super quick and simple style. It's snapped in, you know, just so easy. Snap in your combs like so, and you have a style. So if you don't have your hair braided, you can also just part your hair down the middle, to the side, or wherever you would like, and just slick your hair back in a ponytail. I do it all the time. I have another vpart install here already on my channel. If you're interested in that one, I had no braids. I just had my hair sleek back, kind of like in a ponytail, with a middle and a side part. I did it 2 ways so you can see. But yeah, this is so gorgeous. You can pull this back in a ponytail. So cute for like vacation. Oh my goodness, like I love units like this because they're so quick also for work, you all. So the grocery store, doing your errands, your laundry, you know, just something quick, and you have a style, boom, in under 5 minutes. Under 5 minutes, I absolutely love it. And I just have a little bit of my natural baby hairs under here, like so. So that, you know, when the wind blows, baby, we're covered either way. So I'm just gonna like brush them a little bit better, style them into place, using some of my Cantu Honey Styling Gel. Love this stuff. Voila, gorgeous. How pretty is one style already nicely souped and styled for you all. Super cute, right? Let's quickly do the other side as well. So here's the other side, nice and sleek as well. I just did like my 3 swoops of, you know, baby hair, a little bit thicker this time than normal, and I absolutely love it. I just feel like I have like a nice bronzy Caribbean look with this hair, and I'm loving it so much, you all. Wow. So I'm gonna finger comb them out just a little bit. You all know that I do not like big hair, so I would love to, you know, leave the natural, like, you know, curl pattern and texture that the hair came in. So I'm just going to finger them out just a tad. Like that is just good enough for me. So pretty. I recently ordered a whole bunch of like gold hair clips from Amazon. So cute. So I'm going to like tie some of the hair back with this and just create a quick cute style. Wow, how cute is this look right now? Like, baby, this V-part, this water wave hair is so beautiful. You all know that water wave hair is my favorite texture of all times. How cute is this? How adorable. We're gonna wet her down just a little bit with some water for a more tamed look. I'm ready for vacation. I am ready for vacation. This is definitely gonna be my go-to hair for the summer, you all. So here is where the 24 inches is hitting me around my bust area. I love her. She's a perfect length. I'll be sure to list this gorgeous V-part water wave unit by Junoda Hair down below in the description box at your fingertips for your convenience. I would love to thank Junoda Hair once again so much for sending me this gorgeous water wave unit and for sponsoring today's video. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below. Let's get the conversation going as always. Share this video with your friends and family, and you all, I will see you in the next one. Bye.